Hi everybody, Namaskaram. Welcome to Shree's Aksharamala. We are going to learn to make words with Malayalam consonants ta, tha, da, tha and na. Ta is for tara, tha for mithya, da, daya, tha, dhara, na, nara. Let us learn to write two words with each of these letters. Ta. Ta is for tala, tara, tamara, pada, pada and so on. Let us write two words. Tala and tamara. Tala means head. Tala, head. And tamara. Tamara, lotus. Tala, tamara. Tamara, lotus. Tamara. Next, tha. Tha is for katha, ratham. Katha. Katha means story. Katha. And ratham. Ratham, chariot. Ratham. Katha and ratham. Tha. Ratham. Tha is for katha, ratham, mithya, vritha, gatha and so on. Da. Next, da. Da is for dandam, daya, danam, deenam, deepam, etc. Dandam. Da, dam, dandam. Dandam means tooth. Dandam, tooth. Dandam. And deepam. Deepam, lamp. Deepam. Deepam, lamp. Da, dandam, deepam. Tha. Tha is for dhanam and dhanyam. Dhanam, dhanyam, dhara, dharitri, dharani and so on. Dhanam means wealth. Dhanam, wealth. And dhanyam. Dhanyam, cereal. Dhanyam. Dhanam, dhanyam. Dhanyam. Dhanam, dhanyam. Next, na. Na is for nara, nari, nari, naran, pana, mana, and so on. Nari. Nari means fox. Nari. Fox. Nari. Kurukkan. Kurunari. And nari. Nari. Woman or lady. Nari. Stree. Nari. Ta, tha, da, tha, na. Please subscribe and watch my video. If you like my video, please click the like icon and add your comments in the comment box. Keep watching my video. Thank you.